Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa Competizione with a steering wheel. First, connect your steering wheel and pedal set to your computer. It's crucial to do this before launching the game to ensure proper detection. Next, make sure all the necessary drivers and software for your specific wheel model are installed and updated. This step is vital for optimal performance and compatibility. Finally, take a moment to calibrate your wheel's rotation and pedal inputs within its dedicated control panel. This initial setup ensures your hardware is ready for the track. Once in the game, head over to the Controls menu. Here, you'll need to assign your primary inputs: steering, throttle, brake, and clutch to your connected wheel and pedals. The game should automatically detect many popular devices, but manual assignment ensures everything is correct. Pay attention to the steering linearity and gamma settings. Adjusting these can significantly impact how responsive your car feels. Start with small adjustments, perhaps around 1.0 for linearity, and fine-tune to your preference. Now let's talk about force feedback, or FFB, which is key to immersion. In the force feedback section of the controls, you'll find several important sliders. A good starting point for gain is between 60 and 80% to prevent clipping, which is when the FFB signal is too strong and loses detail. Experiment with road effects and curb effects to find a balance that provides useful information without being overwhelming. Remember, FFB is highly personal, so take your time to fine-tune it. With your settings configured, it's time to hit the track. Start with some practice sessions to get a feel for your car and the circuit. Don't be afraid to pause and make small, incremental adjustments to your control and FFB settings as you drive. Even a change of 1 or 2 points can make a noticeable difference. Focus on smooth steering and pedal inputs, aiming for consistent lap times rather than outright speed initially. Continuous practice and refinement are the keys to mastering Assetto Corsa Competizione with your wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.